Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Bitcoin Cash is breaking out different patterns, one after another. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart once again, then you can see that it is still moving inside in another down channel. A few days ago, we had a fake out from this channel. But the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $450. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. Now the price line is again re-entered the channel, almost tested this long-term support of $270, geared up, and now for the past 4 or 5 days, it is trying to break out the resistance of this channel once again. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of $350 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout when it was moving here at this long-term support zone. That starts from $95 and goes to $88. And I've been telling you in those days that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time we can break it out. And after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 716%. But could not break out this long-term resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared in the previous month of July on 18th of July 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 25th of March 2024, it is moving inside this channel. A few days ago, we had a fake out from the channel, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $450. And now again, it is trying to break out the resistance of the channel. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of $350 as well. In case of another rejection, the price can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $224.25. And it is also possible that while moving at the support, the price may also test this long-term support of $210 as well. And in case of breaking out the channel, this is the bullish fast pattern, by the way, and eventually the price can break out the resistance of this channel as well, like it has been breaking out the previous bullish fast patterns, this falling wedge pattern and this down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $700. And from $700 to $800, by the way, we have a very long-term resistance zone that was previously breaking as a resistance zone here, support here, resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now you can see it is again breaking as a resistance. On this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after more than 700% pump, still a very, very huge move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.